Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so excited. Why am I so excited? Because it is the most anticipated release yet from Mary Kay, and it is, oh, I'm so excited. It is the Mary Kay 12 Days of Favorites. I'm so excited. So Mary Kay has never, ever, 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 ever done this. This is a new limited edition. You would have to reach out to your consultant to see if they even have this. But this is so exciting. I cannot believe that they came out with this. It's so awesome. So stay tuned and I will go ahead and show you guys all that's in here. How exciting is that? So with the 12 days of Christmas, well, holidays I should say, but it's called the 12 Days of Faves. So it's kind of like what you would see in other stores with 12 days, which is very, very exciting. This is, I think, one of the most anticipated releases that Mary Kay did, and I don't think a lot of people knew about this, which is super, super exciting, including myself. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and do the unboxing for you guys. So it is a beautiful box, glossy. Love the packaging on this, and it gives you all the information of all the products that are in here. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this out slowly. Bam! I'll put that on the floor. Okay, so with this, oh my gosh, how cute is that? Look at that. And it comes in this own little packaging and stuff. How exciting is that? So, all right, I'm going to go ahead and get this real quick and do the unpacking here. So I'm gonna do number 1. Let's see what it is. And I'm just gonna go in order 1 through 12. Why not? So the first box here, and I love these boxes. This is great. So you get Hydro Gel eye patches. These are awesome. Mary Kay actually sells the actual, I think like 30 in a little canister. Absolutely love these things. It's perfect for your eyes, underneath your eyes, especially when you have poofy eyes, when you're getting ready. It's perfect to put it underneath while you're doing your eye makeup. I can go on and on and on about this product. Definitely put in the little refrigerator. I have a little makeup refrigerator that I put and house these in there. So it kind of gives you that nice, cooling, beautiful effect. Love it. And your eyes will thank you. Okay, box number 2. Ooh, foundation primer. Oh, that's so exciting. So the foundation primer actually retails for, do I have that information? No, I don't have it in front of me. I do apologize about that. But I will link it down below with the information. So that is number 2, and it has SPF 15, which is a great product to have in your makeup routine. Number 3, what's in, let's see what's in here. Oh, I love it. The eye makeup remover, which I love it. It's oil free too. All you do is like shake it up like so. I don't know if you guys can see the bubbles or not in there, but that is number 3. Okay, we'll go on with number 4. Package number 4. The packaging is just so cool. Look at it. I mean, it's just so nice. It's just good quality. All right. Ooh. Unlimited lip gloss, and this is in the color Sheer Illusion. So let's check this out. Ooh, look how pretty that is. If I can get closer to that. Wow, that color is stunning. Okay, so that's Sheer Illusion, and that is box number 4. And let's go to box number 5. So this will be perfect for doing like little stocking stuffers, or you can break this up and give it to a multitude of people. Oh, how cool. So you get the ultimate mascara, travel size, little sample size. That's awesome. Okay, number 6. What is in here? Bum, ba, dum, bum. What? Ooh, she has the Satin Lips. This is the scrub. This is so good. If you haven't tried this, guys, I highly recommend it. Reach out to your consultant. See if you can get a sample. If they have samples, I'm not sure. I can't remember if they do or not, but highly recommend trying this. If you like satin hands, you're gonna love the Satin Lips. Your lips will thank you. All right, box number 7. Okay. Whoops. Ooh, hand cream. So you get Satin Hands hand cream, which is nice because then you can use it, put it in your purse, travel everywhere with you. Take it everywhere you travel, I should say. All right, number 8. Let's see. Natural Buff Semi-Gel Lipstick. Ooh, this is exciting. Oh, look at the packaging on this. How cute is that? And then you can see the color of the lipstick. So if you have a multitude of them, you can just look on top and see that. So this is Naturally Buff, right? Naturally Buff, yep. So this is a nice, beautiful neutral color. Love it. Oh my gosh, it's stunning. Okay, so that's that one. I'm saying okay a lot. That was number 8. Number 9. Okay, so here's number 9. And this is MK Black Eyeliner. Oh my gosh, if you haven't tried the eyeliners, this is so cool because, and I actually have one, I can show you guys. So the really cool thing about the eyeliners, right, is that it actually has a sharpener on top of the actual cap for your eyeliner. So you have your personal own sharpener, so you don't have to be looking for something else. That is really cool and very innovative that Mary Kay did. And there, you know, it's a twisty cap, right? This is mine. The one that's in the box is actually, what color was it again? Lost track. It is black. So that is actually really cool. But all the MK eyeliners have a sharpener with it, which is awesome. It's just the way that they make them. I thought that was genius, actually. Okay, number 10. Bum, ba, da, bum. Number 10 is, oh, how cute. It's a mini travel size Microderm Abrasion Refine, and also the Pore Minimizer. This is great to have, especially when you need to exfoliate your skin. I would probably use this. I typically use this once every 3 days or so. Some people use it every other day. Depends on how you would like to, you know, have your face and all that stuff. You have to be very, very careful with this too, because you don't want to overdo your face and then it's bad, right? So you want to take your time and do it. But this is so cool because then you can try it, and if you love it so much, you can go ahead and purchase it from your Mary Kay consultant. But I think this is such a wonderful product to resurface your face. That kind of sounds harsh, but it's so good, and it is very delicate to your skin, so it's not harsh or abrasive. But if you use it every day, I would highly recommend against that. So, but it's a great way to pamper your skin. Okay, so that is number 10. Number 11. Oh, I'm sad, we're almost done. Okay, so number 11. This is the Liquid Shadow, ooh, in Light Beam. Oh, I love these things. These are so good. So this is perfect. And it's also a neutral color. You can use this as a base. So once you put on your base, you can use it with the Chromofusion eyeshadows. Or there's 3 other colors as well in the collection that you can go ahead and play around with. It's so easy to use. So if you want to go, hurry up and go, and you need to go somewhere, get up and go. You have to go somewhere and you're in a bind or whatever the case may be, you just plop this all over and then just use a little bit darker shade, or you can just leave this by itself and you're bam, glam, done. Do the eyeliner, a little bit of mascara, you're good to go. Very easy. Okay, so last but not least, drum roll please. Okay, it's heavy. I wonder what it is. it is the charcoal, deep cleansing charcoal mask. I highly recommend this. This product is amazing. If you don't have your hands on this, please get your hands on this. This is awesome. I do this probably, I don't know, 3 times a week. I alternate it. So let's say between the Microderm abrasion. So basically, if I have a event that I need to go to, I'll do the Microderm abrasion, then I'll go ahead and do this. And then you could also do the Mod About You masking pads or pods that came out for the holidays too. But this is such a staple piece in your skincare routine. This is on their regular line. Highly recommend it. When it starts drying, you can see all the different, like the variations of grays on your face. It's like the oils that it's pulling away from your skin, which is great. Highly recommend it if you have really oily skin. It will leave your skin flawless and glowing and healthy. Very, very nice product to have. I can't believe they actually put it in here. This is so amazing. So, okay. So that was the 12 faves from Mary Kay. Limited edition, and you're probably thinking, what does it retail? That's a great question. So this actually retails for $99. Would go ahead and reach out to your Mary Kay consultant to see if they have this in stock. I probably think this is going to be hard to keep on the shelves because, oh my god, this is so exciting. But yeah, the packaging is phenomenal. The way that they did the individual boxes, it's awesome that they have little travel sizes, and then full-size products. They really hit it out of the park. Hopefully they bring it back next year. But that is my unveiling of the Mary Kay 12 Days of Faves. So thank you so much for watching, guys. If you really like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. That way I know you didn't like the content, so I can kind of rework all that. And please make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye!